welcome back to the bench. Today we are going to open a box, do an unboxing, whatever you want to call it, of a vehicle that I've wanted since it came out. And I just haven't really found the money or the time or whatever to do it, but I was on Amazon the other day, and they lowered the price of the vehicle to $239 for the kit. Now I couldn't pass that up. I really like this vehicle. I built my own rock bouncer from scratch called the Black Widow about 4 years ago. Maybe 3 years ago. And if you look on my channel, you'll see a complete build of it. This is probably my most popular vehicle that I've ever built. Okay, I built it from scratch. This is not a kit that you buy. This is something I put together from scratch. Well, Axial put out, or Horizon Hobbies, whichever now, a vehicle called the Ryft. And I've always wanted one, and I got one. Okay, it was on sale. It's still on sale as of the time of this video for $239. Now, it comes with a 2-speed transmission. It's 1/10 scale. It's called the RBX10 Ryft in the gray version. Yeah, gray maybe not be the most impressive color for most people, but if you wanted to, you can sand it down a little bit, rough it up, and paint it. And we just might do that. I don't know yet. But this is something I've wanted to do for a while. And the opportunity came for me to do it. Now, it has Super Swamper tires. It has Intergo, so they're licensed. And like I said, it has a 2-speed transmission. Doesn't come with any electronics, okay? Now, you can buy an RTR version of this for $500. But with $240 as my starting point, putting electronics in it, I have up to $250 to put my own electronics in it and the way I want it. And still be less than the RTR version. So, why not buy a kit? Put it in. Got 2-year limited warranty on this bad boy. What the hell that means, I don't know. But we'll find out if it breaks, if something breaks. Okay, so has 6mm stainless steel links, Intercore Super Swamper tires, metal diff covers, optimized suspension to geometry, rear sway bars are included, and it says scale realism. They show a picture of some brake shoes or brake calipers and a brake rotor on the wheels. So I guess you got looks like you got brakes. It also says that you have front and rear 4-link suspension, long travel shocks, solid axles, WB11 wardboard drive shafts, supposed to be good drive shafts, universal axle set, and Raceline monster wheels. I don't know if Raceline, I think Raceline is an actual licensed wheel. So yeah, what are you gonna say? I mean, wheelbase is 15.25 inches, so it's got a huge wheelbase. Go talking about it being 10th scale. 10th scale, I don't know, with that kind of wheelbase, it's pretty big. But it's a rock bouncer, and it's put out by Axial or Horizon Hobby. And yeah, so why not give it a shot? All right, of course, I'm sure that these kits are all over the place, but comes with stickers, an interior, typical instruction manual, body clips, spare screws, battery, Super Swamper tires. These bad boys take up most of the box. Huge. So we're talking about, what are we talking about here? These are huge tires. Nearly 6 inches, 2.2 wheels. So it's a big old rock bouncer. Bigger than the 1/10 scale one that I built. So this is crazy. And of course, frame, and all your assorted parts. So the only thing we have to come up with is metal gears all through a big old transmission. This is a big vehicle. Like I said, 1/10 scale. Yeah, maybe 1/6, 1/8 scale. I mean, you're talking about 60-inch tires. If it's 1/10 scale, that's huge tires. You know, 22-inch rims. Most 1/10 scales got, what, 4-inch tires, 40-inch in the 10 scale world. So yeah. So this is a project that is not really where I do a lot of modifications to it. I like to do modifications. I like to build vehicles that represent something I've either had in the past or something I'd like to have. And a rock bouncer, you can get a rock bouncer for $90,000 turnkey from this guy on the internet who has an internet channel, and he sells them for $90,000 out the door. I got one for $240, and I'll probably have half the fun, but it'll be cool. So yep, that's what we're doing after we get done with the tough truck that I'm building now. I'm still working on that. I introduced it last time. I'm working on the chassis. I'm not really showing you guys how to put the chassis together. It's a SCX-10-2 raw builder's kit, but I'm going to modify it for leaf springs in the back to make it more scale or realistic to the actual Jeep Cherokee that I am basing this tough truck after. It's like a 1994, 1995 Jeep Cherokee. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, let me know. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, all that stuff that YouTubers say. You know, I'm not trying to build my channel. I just do this for fun. So if you like this channel, watch it. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.